Hello everyone, my name is Mini Sethi. I hope you all are staying healthy. Today we are going to talk about Consumer Protection Act 1986 and 2019. Consumer Protection Act 2019 completely replaced Consumer Protection Act 1986. As of today date in India, Consumer Protection Act 2019 is implemented for protection of consumer. What do you mean by protection of consumer? Protection of consumer means protecting consumer from unfair businesses practices. For example, protecting consumer from misleading warranties, protecting consumer from misleading advertisement, misleading prices. Now we'll see amendments of Consumer Protection Act 1986. Amendment means changes which we make in Act, and Consumer Protection Act was passed in India on 24 December 1986 and it makes 24 December National Consumer Day. This act was amended number of times. First of all, it was amended in 1991. After that, it was amended in 1993, then 2002. But in 2019, it was completely changed and became Consumer Protection Act 2019. Consumer Protection Act 2019 was got approval of President on 9th August 2019 and came into effect on July 20, 2020. Now is the important point of Consumer Protection Act 1986. This act applies to all goods and services, cover all sectors, private, public and cooperatives. And this act establishes three-tier mechanism to resolve consumer dispute. That means dispute will resolve by district, state and national level. This act establishes a consumer council at central, state and district level to protect consumer rights. Consumer can file complaint within 2 years of purchasing product or services. And this act provides proper compensation to consumer who is harmed by unfair trade practices and defective goods. During 1962, John F. Kennedy, former USA president, gave four rights to consumer: right to informed, right to choose, right to safety, right to heard. These four rights were spread all over the world. India also provided these rights to consumer through Consumer Protection Act 1986, but India added two more. In India's Consumer Protection Act 1986 include 6 consumer rights: right to informed, right to choose, right to safety, right to heard, and right to seek redressal, and right to consumer education. Now we are going to talk about Consumer Protection Act 2019. Consumer Protection Act 1986 was completely replaced by Consumer Protection Act 2019. Consumer Protection Bill 2019 was passed by Lok Sabha on July 30th, 2019 and by Rajya Sabha on 6 August 2019. President Ram Nath Kovind approved Consumer Protection Act on 9th August 2019 and this act came into effect on July 20th, 2020. Now we are going to talk about important part, difference between Consumer Protection Act 1986 and 2019. First difference is regulator. Consumer Protection Act 1986 didn't have any separate regulator, but 2019 Act established Central Consumer Protection Authority as a separate regulator. And Central Consumer Protection Authority is responsible for protecting consumer rights by investigating and taking action against unfair trade practices. Second difference is consumer court. During 1986, complaint could be filed in consumer court where seller office is located. But in 2019, complaint can be filed in consumer court where complainant resides. That means earlier, in order to file your complaint, you have to go consumer court where seller office is located. But now you can file complaint in consumer court where you reside. Next difference is product liability. During 1986, concept of product liability was not explicitly defined. Firstly, consumer can file their complaint in consumer forum and they can also go in a civil court if claims only settled in a civil court. But in 2019 define product liability is legal responsibility of manufacturer, seller and service provider. They also establish a consumer dispute redressal commission at district, state and national level. Next is pecuniary jurisdiction. Pecuniary jurisdiction is monetary limit to court. As we know, in Consumer Protection Act, consumer can file their complaint at 3 levels: district level, state level and national level. First of all, we will see pecuniary jurisdiction under 1986. If monetary value of goods and services is up to 20 lakh, then you can file complaint at district level. If monetary value is 20 lakh to 1 crore, then you can go to state level. If monetary value is above 1 crore, then you can go to national level. But all these value have changed in 2019. In 2019, up to 1 crore you can go to district level. Above 1 crore to 10 crore you can go to state level. Above 10 crore you can go to national level. Next difference is e-commerce. During 1986, there was no provision of e-commerce because there was no trend of online shopping. But now we do online shopping. That's why in 2019, they involve e-commerce. That means all rules extended to e-commerce. Next is mediation cell. Mediation means resolve dispute through third party. During 1986, there was no provision of mediation cell, but in 2019, court can refer settlement through mediation cell. So this is all about Consumer Protection Act. I think you got it, and thank you so much for watching this video. Bye. Take.